Hello, my dear family members. I hope all of you are preparing well for your upcoming assessments. As all of you are aware of that, Wipro Elite started their mass hiring. So today, I'm going to share all the details of the Wipro Elite, and as well as I'll explain few questions with you all, guys. So please wait and watch till the end so that this will be very much valuable for you only. Okay, so let's start with the process first. But before that, if you have not subscribed this channel, then please click on this button, and this doesn't cost anything, so please click on it. Okay, so let me start with the syllabuses and everything. So as you know, like in Wipro Elite, you will have to face at least 16 quantitative ability questions, logical ability 14 questions, verbal ability 22 is, and you have to also face a essay writing. Okay, and there will be one questions, and I'm going to share all of the important questions one by one, so please watch till the end. Okay, so and at the end you will have to face coding test. So there you will have two coding questions, one will be from general knowledge and one will be from DSA. Okay, so then let me discuss the, yeah, all the like quantitative ability sections. So HCF, LCM, obviously this will be at first, and probability of the questions one or two. Okay, numbers, divisibility sums, numbers, power, decimal fractions, time and work, word problems, flow in pipes and cisterns, then statements of profit and loss, simple and compound interest. Okay, and word problems of time, speed and distance, then train related questions, mensuration and coordination. Okay, coordinate geometry, word problems on calendars and clocks, sums on log and anti-logs. These are, as you all see, these are all important for Wipro Elite. Okay, probability, ratio and its proportions, etc., etc. And for logical ability, you'll have to face coding, decoding, logical blood relations, then directional sense, objective reasonings, then like deductive, inductive, all type of reasonings you have to face. Okay, so then in case of verbal ability, and like I am not repeating, I'm not like reading all the sections, just watch. Synonyms, antonyms, grammar, reading comprehension, sentence arrangement, article and tense, contextual vocabulary, verbal ordering, conjunction, preposition, error identification, sentence corrections, speech, voice, etc. Okay, so these are all important topics. Okay, apart from this, like all are very much like optional, and these are the mandatory parts which you have to focus, because like as I have been observing, like all of these topics will be asked in the exam. Okay, so I hope you will give importance, and let me discuss what are the topics they are asking in these days. So let's start with the first one. So I'll discuss what important coding sections they are asking. Okay, so before that, let me discuss about the essay writings. Okay, let's say in essay writing, they will ask you about your, let's say, and be prepared for any unknown topic. Okay, they have, let's say they have asked you habit of yours. Okay, your habits. On this, you have to write an essay. Let's say they ask you a questions about artificial intelligence, AI. Okay, they can ask you essay topics like um, youth. Okay, so they can give you any topics, and also any burning topics which are trending in these days. So be prepared for anything, but these are the, like the trending topics are more important. Okay, so like in essay writing, just do some things. Those are okay. Let me just uh, reduce the weight. Okay, so you will have to maintain in essay writing at least three paragraphs. Okay, so three paragraphs means intro at first, then the body, and then the conclusion. So you have to maintain this must. Okay, and don't write in a one go, like break the paragraphs. Okay, and also make sure that you are not typing the backspace more. Okay, and also like focus on the number, punctuation, and also focus on like mistakes in typing. Okay, so please focus on these fields for essay writing. And for coding, let me discuss. The questions are literally very easy, like let's say essay writing, sorry, let's say sorry let's say yeah, even sum. In array you have to find the even sum. And let's say for string they are asking like convert this in uppercase to lowercase. Okay, let's say they ask you to find prime numbers. Okay, prime number related problems. Let's say they asked you palindrome. Okay, so these are the very fundamental problem they are asking in these days. So you can focus very easy questions. Okay, just like build your fundamentals and he will be able to solve those problems. Okay, so let me start with the quantitative ability questions which was asked actually. So I hope you are waiting for that only. Okay, so yeah, I hope this is visible to you. Sam got 280 marks in a test. He scored 40% more marks than the passing marks. James got 320 marks in it. By what percent did his marks exceed the passing marks? Okay, so basically, this is a question from percentage. So let's start with the solution. So at first, you have to focus on what is the passing marks. You have to find that only, right? So after you find that this is the passing marks, then you can configure out that this is the percentage he is exiting. Okay, so let's assume that the passing marks is x. Okay, so by he scored 40% more. So that means what is the 40% more of it? That is 1.4x. Okay, 40% more of it means 1.4x. So basically this is x plus 40% of x. Okay, so this is equal to 1.4x. Okay, so you have to remember the shortcuts. Okay, this way, like if you solve this only now, you will get only this one. Okay, so you have to remember this way. Okay, so he scored 40% more. So this is the 40% more, and also this is the number what he got. So that means 40% more is equal to 280. Okay, so that means the number he got, that is 280, and he got 40% more than the passing marks. So he got this and he also got this. Okay, so this is the similar, so you can equalize those. So x is equal to, you have to find here. Okay, so 280 by 1.4. So what will be the answer? 14 200. Okay, so x is equal to 200. So that means the passing marks is 200. So what will be the percentage? By what percent did his marks exceed the passing marks? So basically the he got 320, right? He got 320. James 320. So this is the passing marks, this is the passing marks, 100. So this is what the answer. Okay, so that means 0 0 cut out, then 320 minus 200, that is 120 by 2, so that means 60. Okay, so 60% will be the answer. So by what percent did his marks exceed? That is 60%, by 60%. Okay, so he got more than like he got 320, right? So this is 60% more than the passing marks. So option C will be the correct answer. So please let me know what is your answer. I love to check it. Okay, so this is the next question. Please pause the video and try to give the answer. So this will be actually helpful for you only. Just assume that this is the exam hall and you are giving the exam right now. Okay, and these are the actual questions, so please take it seriously. Okay, if diagonals of a rhombus are 16 meter and 12 meter, then find the area of the rhombus. Basically you just have to implement the formula of rhombus. Okay, so I hope you have already got the answer. So let's say this is the rhombus. So I'm not good at drawing, so please assume that this is a rhombus, and 16 mm and 12 mm the length of the diagonals, okay, of two diagonals. So basically the formula is the answer, that is area for the rhombus is equal to half into diagonal 1 and into diagonal 2, okay. So half into 16 into 12, okay. So 2 multiply by 8 16, so 12 multiply 8 is 96. So 90 meters square will be the correct answer, okay. So let me give you a question. So like as you can see, this is the very basic questions. Also still they are asking this type of questions, okay. So please focus on the basic questions as well. So I'm going to give you some like quiz questions at the end, so please give those answers like in the comment sections, okay. So let me share the next questions, but before that, if you want the prime materials of Wipro, then please DM me at my Insta handle instagram.com/tekno.tf. You will get the materials in which we are including all those topics like aptitude, quants, then variables, then codings, then the mock test, essay, everything is there. So if you want all of these, then just DM me at my Insta handle instagram.com/tekno.tf. This cost only 89 rupees. So this will be 79 rupees for 2 days. So please DM me at my Insta handle instagram.com/tekno.tf. You will get the materials at this, okay. So I hope you will do so. So the next question is this. Jack gained an amount of $48 when he sold his watch at a profit of 8%. What's the cost price of that watch? So this is the question from profit and loss. So I hope you will start solving the question by yourself. Okay. So okay. So $48 is the gained amount. Okay. Gained or total like profit, okay, $48. Then he sold his watch at a profit of 8%, okay. And what is the cost price they are asking? So let's say the cost price is X, so he got a profit of 8%, right? So the profit amount is what? Profit amount is profit amount on X, that is 8%, okay. Profit amount on X, that is 8%. So X into this, so this will become 0.08x, okay. So this is the profit amount, and the profit amount is equal to 48. So he gained 48, right? So this is equal to 48. So X is equal to should be 48 by 0.08, okay. So basically 100, 6 jar 48, so 600 should be the cost price, okay. So these are the like very basic questions they are asking, and they have already asked. That's what I am sharing with you right now. So basically the answer will be $600, okay. So I hope your answer is also same. So please give the answer in the comment section whenever I am sharing the questions in the first in the initial time, okay. So let me share the next type of questions. So the questions will be from logical reasoning, okay. So basically I'm sharing few coding decoding type of questions, okay. Coding decoding type of questions, okay. So actually these are very important because almost two questions will be from coding decoding, so please give importance. So that's what I'm going to share it right now. So if apple is coded as this, so how is orange coded? So apple, right? So this is basically shifting letter type of coding decoding questions, okay. Shifting letter. So apple is coded as this, then orange is coded as how, okay. So apple, let me just write it, apple and D S S O H. So A 1, okay, the place value of A is 1, D 4, okay, P is what? OP 16, okay, then S is C, T R is right to both, that's why 18. S is, that's why 19. Okay, so basically you will, if you observe the scenario, P is 16 again, and this is 19. L is like M is middle, okay, that is 13, and L should be 12. O is 15, okay. E is 5, and H is 8. Okay, 8, this way. So 1 to 4, that is 3 difference, okay. Then 16 to 19, 3 difference. 16 to 19, 3 difference. 12 to 15, 3 difference. 5 to 8, 3 difference. That means plus 3 is happening here, okay. Plus 3 is the pattern. So basically if you arrange the orange in the same way, then it will become O is 16, so 19 should be sorry, O is 15, so 18 is R is 18, so 21, so T is 20, okay, T is 20, so U will be 21. A is 1, so 4 will be D. N is, see, M is middle, that is 12, so N is 13, so 13 plus 3, that is 16, so P will be here. G7 submit, so G7, so 10 will be here, so that is GHIJ, okay, J. Then Geo, okay, Geo this way 10, okay. Then what is this? E. So E is 5 and 8 is H, okay. Basically RUDPJH will be the correct answer. So while solving the questions, you have to know the place value of each character, okay. I hope you have been watching the playlist of Wipro or any other company. So if you are not watching, then please watch those, because I have already covered these concepts earlier, so please watch those, okay. So let me go to the next type of coding decoding problem, that is, if world is coded as DLRW, how is table coded? So basically this is a reverse pattern, okay, reverse pattern based questions, and the answer will be thus just reverse of this, okay. So world is like arranged in the reverse manner, that is DLROW, so that's way table will be reverse, okay. So ELBAT. So I'm not like explaining anymore, because this is very easy type of questions, okay. And this is the numbering based coding decoding problem. So A will be defined a value, B will be having a value, C will be having a value, Z will be having a value. You have to find the value of dog, okay. So basically the value of D is 4, O is 15, G is 7, okay. So if there is option of sum of all these, then add those, okay. And if there is no sum and just like arrangement of those will be 4, 15, 7, then tick on this, okay. Okay, so let me give you a quick question from all of these, okay. So I'll discuss in the upcoming time more, so please watch always watch till the end, and always subscribe so that you will get the latest content whatever I am going to upload, okay. So let me just add one question for you guys. So B is equal to 5, D is equal to B is equal to 7. So what will be the value for DUG? Okay, what will be the value for DUG? So give me the answer in the comment section. I love to tick. I love to give you a heart. Okay, so let me go to the next type of problem. Those are like from article and preposition, which are from verbal reasoning, okay, verbal ability. So I saw dash elephant standing dash the street. So I saw an elephant, as E is a vowel, so an will be there, and here standing, where I saw an elephant standing on the street, okay. standing on the street. So basically standing on a surface, right? So that's why standing on the street. Okay, if there is a tree, so that means behind the tree. So this way we could assume the answer. Okay, C is dash honest person who always believes dash truth. So C is a truth because H is a consonant. No, here N will be the answer because honest. So this pronouns like an vowel, honest. O. Okay. So that's why N will be the correct answer. Okay. And C who always believes dash truth in truth. Okay. So the next question is there is dash apple. There is an apple because A is vowel and there is no exceptional case for this. An apple and a banana. Okay, a banana. Dash the table. So table is a surface and on the table. So banana is touching the table. So that's why on will be the correct preposition. I met him on Monday. On Monday. Okay, on Monday at dash university. So U is vowel, but when U will be pronounced like U or wa, then we have to give we have to consider this as a consonant. Okay, so university still it will be A. Okay, so I hope you understood the like concept. So I am going to share a real question. So that is this: Tina lives dash Islam next to the royal palace. So please give the answer in the comment section. This is a quiz question for you. So I hope you will give the answer in the comment section. Okay. So actually this is the last question for today's session. So guys, again I am requesting you to have the prime materials of Wipro. Like we have all the materials of Wipro Elite, Wipro Wilp, Wipro everything. Okay, and we have all the mock tests. So if you prepare from this, then you are going to obviously placed in Wipro. So please consider this cost just 79 rupees for 2 days. So please like give importance to your career, find like your career. Okay, so and like apart from this we have materials of Accenture, we have materials for Cognizant, we have materials for Infosys, Deloitte, Capgemini, and 12 more other companies. So if you want all of these, then please just DM me or just use the UPI ID given in the description box and send me the screenshot through the mail or Instagram handle. Okay, so thank you for today's session.